jump. Good jump. Kaylin, go get it again. Kaylin, where's your jumpy? Jumpy. Go ahead. Woo. Here she goes. Oh! She took a little spill on that one. Oh! Whoa! Kaylin's jumpy. Kaylin's jumpies. Up we go. Whee! Oh! Oh, good Lord. Jumpies. Oh, no, no, no. Kaylin, no, no. Go jump off the chair. Kaylin, no. Kaylin. No, let's not get in this. Kaylin. Jump. Oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Ooh. Hey, at least it's better than when you were doing it with before I put that. At least you're not doing it on the floor like you were before. It's a Daddy's bright idea to put that down. Woo. Daddy believes in safety. No, no, honey. Daddy believes in safety. That's why you put that little bed down there. No, no, honey. No, no. Kaylin, look, off the top rope. Kaylin, off the chair. What, honey? Here we go, Kaylin off the... No, no, Kaylin off the top. Okay, here, Daddy will do it. Daddy do it. Daddy do it. Alright, ready? Here goes. Whee! Oh. Oh, no, no, honey. Sit down. What are you doing? Surely there has to be compromise we can come up with. Honey. Oh, what does Kaylin want to look at? See? There's the TV. I want to look at the fishies. There's a fishy. Fish.
Oh, fish. We're here.
What is that? Is that night-night? Is it the night-night bed?